Annyeonghaseyo mga chingu! I'm in South Korea for a spring trip, and I thought why not share daily reels of what I did instead of just posting stories. Quick vlog reels lang. Let's fit everything into one video. I arrived at Incheon Airport via Philippine Airlines, and grabe ang bilis lang ng process. All you need is your e-arrival card, which you can fill out online before your trip and manually at the airport. After getting my luggage, nag-withdraw muna ako ng Korean won in a global ATM using my GCash card kasi sabi nila, best peso to won conversion daw ito. For my ride from the airport to Seoul, I took the airport limousine bus. I find it more convenient than riding the airport express train, or known as the AREX. This first leg of my trip is like a warm-up before I explore other cities. I'll just be in Seoul for a couple of days before moving on. Since I arrived early, iniwan ko muna yung luggage ko sa hotel storage and grabbed brunch before heading to Gangnam for my skin clinic appointment. Talagang ito yung unang-una kong gagawin. Ang daming cute cafe sa area ko in Hongdae na definitely I'll be trying in the next few days. Today, I visited Junex Skin Clinic in Gangnam and got some skin treatments. We'll share more details in a separate video. Pero grabe, super amazed ako from the skin analysis to the recommendations and the actual procedures. After that, I needed to rest kasi napuyat tayo sa flight, but made a quick stop at Olive Young to get a mild cleanser and sunscreen. I ended the day with a quick snack and dinner na rin before heading back to the hotel. Yun lang muna for today. I'll post a longer version on my YouTube account, parang Director Scott Char. So samahan nyo rito ako bukas. Don't forget to use my Klook code, KennethRedClook. Annyeong!